Welcome to this video, guys. Axel here, back again with another video. Today we're gonna check out some brand new prop firms that just came out recently, and I think they might have great potential. So if you're looking to get funded, you're looking to acquire up to 6 figures in trading capital, you might want to take a look at these firms that we're gonna look at today. But before we jump into that, if you don't know what I do, what my company does, Pass Your Challenge, basically we help undercapitalized traders acquire funding anywhere from $10,000 up to $200,000, even $500,000 in some challenge accounts using automated trading softwares such as our EA. Now, let's jump into this video. Let me show you these top 3 newest firms that I think might have some potential and the reason why they might have some potential, all right? So let's jump into it. All right, so first off, we have this one called First Class Forex Funds. So First Class Forex Funds, basically just another prop firm, nothing too special except for one thing. The thing is that they are backed by 8cap, which is a big Forex broker. Let's go to the 8cap website. So this is 8cap, it's a ASIC regulated broker. And yeah, this is why I feel like this firm might have some good potential. They are backed by a real broker. And for that reason, that gives them a bit more credibility than the rest. So as we can see here, they also say that you can acquire up to 1 million in funding and receive up to 90% of the profit. So let's take a look at their evaluation rules. So let's go, for example, for 100K, your profit share is up to 90%, profit target 8%, profit target for phase 2 is 5%, daily loss limit 5%, maximum loss limit is 12%. So basically this seems like it's very similar to something like a My Forex funds. They're basically matching the 8% profit target and the maximum loss limit of 12%. I believe MFF have that one as well. Another thing that they have is, of course, the refundable fee once you pass, and then a 125 bonus on your first payout. So you get 125% bonus on whatever you made already, which can be pretty significant on your first payout. So as we can see here, they start off with 75, then 80%, then 85%, and then up to 90% after the 4th month, which is pretty cool. 5 minimum trading days, that's pretty cool as well. And yeah, that's basically it for this one. Pretty simple. The main thing that they have going on is that they are backed by 8cap, which gives them a lot of credibility. The rules seem to be very similar to My Forex funds. The pricing seems to be very friendly as well. So yes, definitely a good firm to check out. Now let's move on to the next one. Funded Next. So this one's been making some noise. You know, they've been everywhere. I've been seeing like their advertisements, their marketing. Some people have been talking about them on our Discord. And yeah, that's always a good sign that something is popping up, that they're doing well, right? The only thing with this firm is that they don't necessarily have any advantages when it comes to their model, to their evaluation model, basically. Because let's say, for example, you want to do the $100,000 account, so the daily loss limit is 5%, maximum overall loss is 10%, minimum trading is 5%, and then the profit target is actually 10%. So this is basically the same rules that FTMO have going for themselves. And FTMO, while it may be the most respected firm, also the biggest one, is also one of the harder ones to pass because of the 10% profit target. So this one, they chose to match the 10% profit target, which is interesting because most people would go for lower, but hey, they are still making a lot of noise in the marketplace and we've been hearing about them. So something must be good with them. A cool feature that they also have is an app that you can download on both Apple Store and Google Play, where you can actually track your progress on your Forex trading account. So you get a whole dashboard inside your phone in the app, which is pretty cool. That lets you see where you're at in your trading. As far as EAs, all of these firms that I'm mentioning right here do allow the EA. So for example, if we go back to the first one, this one is First Class Forex Funds. Can I use expert advisors? Yes, you can use trade copiers, risk management tools, and third-party EAs as long as they are not used in the following ways. Basically, arbitrage is banned, which is okay because that's not our EA. And then for funded next, it's basically the same exact thing also. Do you allow EAs and indicators? EAs and indicators are allowed. This includes trade copier, blah, 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 blah. It's just the same copy paste message that all of them use basically. And now finally, one that is a little bit different than the rest. This is called Fund Your FX. So this one is not necessarily the same old prop firm model that we're always used to. This one is where you can trade the live account from day one. So they fund you right away. So right away when you get the account, they fund you. So let's take a look at this one and what makes it special or what makes it different. So fully funded accounts, zero loss liability, no hidden costs, all right? So let's go down to some of their rules. For example, you have 50% of profit is yours. So whatever you make on this account, 50% of the profits are yours and you get funded instantly. So right after you pay, you're already funded and you can make 50% of the profits. Now, the problem with this instant funding platforms is that they always have lot size restrictions, and this one is no different. So for example, here it says maximum lot size of 0.1 lot per every 2000 USD. For other assets, 0.01 lot per 2000 USD. So for example, on a $15,000 account, the maximum trade size of 0.75 lots. So when they say this, I'm not sure if they mean every single little trade is a maximum of 0.75, or do they mean that all of the trades combined have to be limited to 0.75? So maybe we'll explore in the FAQ. And as you can read here, if you breach that rule, you are not eligible for the profit share. So that's something to be very, very, very aware of when you go to these instant funding models. They always have these kind of lot size restrictions or low leverage. This is their way to make things harder so that you don't make a lot of money, unfortunately. Okay, so we're in the FAQ now, and you can see a professional account with $30,000 account balance, your maximum lot size will be 1.5 lots per account. So yes, this is per account. It is not for the each trade, is actually as an account as a whole. You cannot exceed 1.5 lots. So be very careful of that and make sure that you manage your lot sizing and make sure that you know at each time how many positions you have open and what's the total lot size that you have open. All right. When it comes to actually trading EAs, they are accepted, as we can see here. Yes, we allow you to trade any trading strategy or style at any time of day, and that includes using your own indicator and expert advisors. So yes, EAs are actually allowed. So right now, these are the three newest firms that have been on my radar. Me personally, I'm going to be trying out the first one, this one, the first class Forex funds. I'm going to be trying them out. I'll see how it goes. Sometimes I like to try them out for fun. I don't necessarily need the funding. I'm doing pretty okay for myself. But hey, because I provide software for people to actually get funded, I always have a budget dedicated to just testing out different prop firms and seeing which ones I can recommend to my clients. So I'm gonna be trying this one, First Class Trading Solutions, First Class Forex Funds.co, powered by ACAB. Yeah, it seems like out of the three, this one would be the easiest one to pass. Well, this one is already live funded, so it's different. But then you have the lot sizing rules, but this one does not have that. But this is basically like passing my Forex funds, but coming in with a newer company that maybe when a company is new, like they're trying to establish a good reputation for themselves. So they're not going to be as ruthless as some of these other big ones. And they actually want to bring in clients. They want to pay out and all of this stuff so that they can actually build a reputation for themselves. This way they acquire more and more and more clients. And that's basically how these companies grow. So when you catch them when they start, and if they are legit, your chances of getting paid out with no problems and all of that are way higher because these people are trying to build a reputation for themselves. And that goes for all of these prop firms, Funded Next, Fund Your FX, all of these guys. It is in their best interest to actually be good because they're going against some very, very big competition such as FTMO, My Forex Funds, etc., etc. But the other firms, the bigger ones, do have some stains when it comes to their reputation, especially during certain cases. But every company does. That's just the Forex game. That's just how it works. And yeah, always when it comes to this stuff, please, please, please make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure you do your own research. And by no means do I endorse any of these companies. I don't own any of these businesses. I'm not involved in them. I'm just here doing reviews, and based on my opinion, which ones look pretty solid. If this one is actually backed by 8cap, that is a very good credibility factor. So for that reason, I'm gonna try them out, and maybe in future videos I'll update how that experience goes. So yeah, that would be it for this YouTube video. By the way, if you want to pass your funding challenges and you're finding it difficult, you keep failing one after the other, and you need some extra help, we can help you out with our automated trading software that is literally designed to pass these prop firm challenges. So we have over 4,000 members in total that use our automated trading software, and multiple thousands of people have been able to get funded using our trading software. You can check my other videos on YouTube where we show accounts that have passed, where we show our Discord live, all kinds of other stuff. But click the link down in the description. It will take you to my Telegram. All you need to send me is the word PASS, P-A-S-S, and then we'll see if you're the right fit to get our software and how it can actually help you. All right, so see you in the next video. Bye.